Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I am here to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much for choosing to spend your most valuable asset with me, which is your time. I truly appreciate it. And for those of you who are returning, thank you for coming back. Your girl really does appreciate it. Now, if you are currently not subscribed, please take just a moment, hit the subscribe button below, and become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be happy to have you. There is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, today's video is on Curl Box, okay? It's the January Curl Box. I haven't even opened the box yet, okay? So, the outer box. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with Curl Box, it is $25 per month, and that does include your shipping. And with that, you get full-size products of a featured product of the month, which is for your hair. Make sure your tresses are bomb. So, we're going to dive right into this box. See, here we go right here. As I said, this is January's Curl Box. Trust me, if you are all about the best products for women of color, people of color, okay, this is the box for you. I promise you. The products have been bomb every month, and not just the hair care products, but also the tools. I've gotten scarves and brushes and picks. They call them lifters now. I guess I'm telling my age when I say a pick, but nonetheless, you know what I'm talking about. So take a look-see. If you like what you see, make sure you hit the like button below. But nonetheless, by all means, comment, like, subscribe. Alrighty, let's see what is in the box. Okay, and as we open the box, this is what the top of the box looks like. Okay, and of course we have our brochure on the inside, and it says January 2019 Curl Box, The Detox. Okay. And of course, it gives you information about the products that are included in this month's box and what they do and the best way to use them. And of course, there is our Curl Friend card. Tell us what you think. Okay. And the products start now. The Charcoal Detox Shampoo, and this is by the company W.O.C. Alright, and it says purify your pretty strands with this clarifying blend infused with coconut, charcoal, and kaolin clay. Bust through buildup and a residue, a dull, congested tresses for a deep clean. No stripping here. This blend only leaves shine. Let's see if there's a scent. It's a clean scent, I guess is the best way to describe that. Then the next product we have is the Charcoal Detox Conditioner. Okay, and it has that same label, W.O.C. All right, and the next product, the Air Dry Cream, and this says locking plus coconut curls. Okay, and this one is the Finishing Mist. And the absolute last product in the box is Argan Oil of Morocco Creamy Hair Butter. Hydrate and repair. Leave in or rinse out. Okay? So, and this is the full-size version of this. And what I always do, I will make sure that I go online and let you know exactly what the full amount, I will let you know what the manufacturer suggested retail price is for the products that we have in this box. And that way we can do a real life comparison of what you save right off the bat. I'm just going to tell you, I know that's what it is. It's going to be a savings. So that's what we will do. I will let you know exactly what the savings amount would be. Okay, if you go ahead and subscribe to Curl Box and enjoy these products. Okay, so I'd like to say thank you so very much for choosing to spend this few minutes with me on today. I will make sure that I leave the link in the description box below so that it will be so much easier for you to go ahead and become a part of the Curl Box family and try out products like this for yourself. Okay? Well, as always, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.